Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see today, I am doing a different type of video. I will be cleaning up under my part of the sink, and I am showing what I am using. I'm using some type of contact paper from Target. These are 3 little plastic containers and I use one. I also am going to use a pair of scissors to cut the paper, 2 metal bins, and also these mason jars. And these are the 2 metal bins that I'm using. Now I am cleaning out everything from under the sink because that's the only way that I'm going to be able to reorganize. And this gives me an opportunity to throw away items, products that I am not using. And I am using a big Target bag, the biggest bag that they have, and I actually filled the entire bag with products. Alright, now I am taking my disinfectant wipes and I am going to wipe the inside of the sink to remove any dirt or anything like that that's sitting in there before I place the paper down. I realize, like all the time when I'm cleaning, that in order to get through this, I need some music. So I turn some music on, and here I am placing the contact paper in there. This is before cutting it. I am just trying to make sure that I am getting the right measurement before I cut the paper. And I cut the paper, so now I am trying to remove the sticky part. And let me tell you, take your time if you're using this kind of paper because it is very, very sticky and hard to remove. And it became a big mess, but then it ended up working out in the end. But just take your time. This honestly took me I feel like 5 minutes to smooth this out because I wanted it to be, I want it to look nice. And now I am placing my items inside of the mason jars. I'm so glad that I went with the mason jars. It's so easy for me to get to every day. It keeps everything nice and clean and neat, and it's also protecting whatever you're putting inside your jars from anything on the outside, just like its original packaging, but it's just cuter. I'm really happy that I bought 2 metal containers of different sizes because of the way that the sink is actually the spacing under here. So it actually works out that one is bigger than the other. And the one that I am placing my items in now, this is like my skincare. The shorter one is my skincare bin, and the other one is all hair care products. So I just kept moving the products around until I got to my desired look, and what I was comfortable with. And also now I am placing some feminine products inside of this plastic container. And this is the only one that I use for the inside of my sink. The other one I use inside of one of my drawers. I am placing the mason jars in their place. And the how I have my sink right now in this video, I actually changed it around after. I kept the bins where they are and I kept the same products, but I just got rid of more products because later on I felt like, I didn't need all of this kind of stuff. I really wasn't using it. Some things I was just holding on to, and I finally let those things go. Also, I have a whole Pinterest of how I would like, to organize under my sink. However, I've been in the plan is to move from this house that I am in now. So within like the next year or two, I'm not quite sure yet. I plan on moving, so this will not. I'll continue to use these bins even after the move, but I have like a totally complete system that I would like to do. This is a double vanity sink, and under here is very spacious. It just looks very tight because of the big bins. However, everything worked out well, and the items that I use to organize under my sink will be in the description section. I bought everything from Target.